kangkong guys, yellowish na siya. So we're going to harvest them. Let's wait. Maybe they might shoot more after. Okay. There's yellow there. There. Look where I planted. I planted it in the bottle. And those two one there, they all yellow. That's all. Oh, there's more here too. There. For some reason, they are yellowish, so they are not really healthy. This one too. Now, first harvest. Let's try to take out the shoots. There. And there, I tried to put in the water, but it seems they are not successful in the water. So we're going to take this out. And let's figure it out if they will shoot. And that's all. And here's one, two. Maybe the more you take out their shoots, they're gonna grow more. I'm not sure. It's my first time, so. But the thing is, they are yellowish. There. It's supposed to be good in sinigang. It's just make for sinigang, guys. Who knows? You never know. We are experimenting only right now. So next year we will know. And look what happened here. I think not enough water. At least guys, makakuha tayo ng ano, good enough for sinigang sana. Pero wala naman akong, see? Yellowish. So I'm going to put it here in my bucket. O diba? Isang kainan. Kukunti lang kasi ang inano ko. Sakali dumami, pag-alisin natin ng shoots. At ng yellow, alisin na. Anyways. Tingnan natin. Tapos, ito rin. Kahit yellow siya, pwede pa rin yan. Diba? Ang alugbati ko naman guys, oh. Hindi naman lumaki na. Ayan. Tapos mag-winter na. Yung kamatis ko, dadalawa. May okra naman ako dun. Mamulak-lak na. Iisa lang natubo. Yung kalamansi ko, naglalaglagan naman yung mga bulaklak. So, gagawa natin. Yung talong, pandak. Pero yung sili, ayan, malaki na siya. Galing Pinas to eh. Sili. May yellow, may nag-green. Ewan. Unpredictable weather. Pero meron akong nag-iisang alugbati dito. Ay, nangyari sa sili ko. Yan rin malunggay ko dyan, guys. Yan, mataba. Sana hindi maputol pag kumain. Pero ito, payat. Payat din yan. Tapos, ewan ko kung saan galing yan. Bakit merong ano doon? Parang saluyot yun, nag-iisa. Saan kaya nang galing yan? Tataka lang. Alisin ko dyan para lumaki sakali. Okay, kaya muna. Yung ampalayo ko naman, ayan. Blue yellow naman na. Gusto ko to pagbungahin. Meron siyang bunga, oh. Kasi syempre ito wild, guys. Kaya maliit lang siya talaga. Pero may bunga. Gusto ko lang yan na magbunga para makakuha lang ako ng seeds. Yun lang naman. Eh, ito naman yung bunga niya. Tingnan nyo, guys. Nag-yellow. Ayun. Sira na. Kaya hindi ko alam kung paano. Sana lang makakuha tayo ng buto. Makapalaki tayo ng buto. Nagyayelo kasi naman ang mga bunga eh. Oh. Wild kasi to sa bundok talaga. Hindi magulo ang video natin. Ano? May bunga, maliit. Tapos yung pechay naman, wala na. Yan na lang. Oh, hindi na lumaki. Ito, ewan ko kung ano ito. Pero alam ko, hindi ito mamunga sa ngayon. Next year na to kung mai-preserve natin. Subukan natin ipasok sa loob ng bahay ngayong winter. Nakasakali. Sana lang hindi pa mugaran ng ahas. Pero may mga sili pa ako doon. Naging garden. Ano yung sili, guys? Made in Pinas yan. Yung iba hindi na talaga lumaki. Okay, bye for now. Tingnan nyo ang kapaligiran.